The team at Dungarees know the hardest workers pack the biggest appetites. They've teamed up with me, Chef Jonathan Collins from The Outdoors Chef, to bring you simple, handcrafted recipes for hardworking men and women. Whether you're hosting the big game or cooking for an entire campsite, maybe you're cooking something that you've recently hunted or firing up the barbecue in the backyard, we've got recipes that hungry people will love to cook and eat. When days get longer and temperatures rise, we love to take the kitchen outside. And nothing says summer like a barbecue. Now, today's recipe is packed full of flavor, so fire up that grill. A backyard barbecue is the perfect place for something healthy, nutritious, and let's face it, it's got to be easy to make. This whole roasted sea bass is going to be elevated by using a chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri is fresh parsley, lemon, lime, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, but what it does to this sea bass is brings it to life. Now I'm going to take this, prepare it, I'm going to make sure to scale it because I'm going to leave this skin on. That skin is going to be crispy and delicious. With the sea bass cleaned and ready to stuff, it's time to put together the chimichurri sauce. Now I've got flat leaf parsley, lemon, and lime. I'll be using the zest and the juice, and then fresh garlic. All that put together is going to be a powerful flavor additive. The first thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to start with the parsley. I'm going to roll it up and literally just start chopping it. I'll work at one end, go in one direction, turn, and go the other, trying not to bruise it. Doesn't have to be too fine. We just want to release all that beautiful flavor. Perfect. This chimichurri sauce, it smells absolutely incredible. Now, the important thing is to preheat my grill. I'm going to turn this on medium high, and then I'm going to make sure that that's seasoned. If you haven't seasoned your grill yet, use something like peanut oil or canola oil or something that's got a high smoke point to make sure that your fish is not going to stick. Now, it's time to get these started. I've got some beautiful fresh herbs, a little bit of kick of heat with these chilies, and then I'm going to stuff them and get them on the grill. Now the chimichurri sauce is so potent for one important reason. There's a ton of flavor in there, and that's because it's quick cooking. So we got to get the flavor in quick, and this is just the sauce to do it. After about 15 to 20 minutes on the grill, these sea bass are completely cooked, and I want you to see what the texture looks like. I'm just gonna peel back this skin, and you can see that beautiful flesh. And one of the things that I love about whole roasting is this. You literally waste nothing. That flesh comes right off the bone. And the best part is that chimichurri sauce, that's gonna brighten it up. This going to the table, it's easy, it's fast, it's extremely nutritious, and it is the best for your backyard barbecue. Thanks for checking out this recipe. You can download a printable version of the full recipe by going to dungarees.com/recipes. And don't forget to check out the other recipes in this delicious series. Until then, remember, in the kitchen, slow is smooth and smooth is fast.